I'm just looking. Excuse me, can you help me please? How much is it? What size is it? How much are those jeans? What size are they? Can I try them on? Do you have t-shirt in medium? I can't find the price. Where can I pay? I'll pay by credit card. Okay, I'll take it. I think I'll leave it. Do you need any help? It's in the sale. They are half price. What size do you want? Would you like to try it on? The changing rooms are over there. I'm afraid we don't accept checks. It suits you. It fits you perfectly. The class desk is over there. How would you like to pay?